Hello friends and welcome to Automove India. This is the new Tata Punch. Now let's do a quick walk around of this vehicle, starting off with the design. It gets LED DRLs and the grille is finished in black along with the tri-arrow pattern. The humanity line is finished in chrome. So moving on to this side, it gets side body cladding. So this is the side profile. B pillar is finished in black. We get dual tone color as well. The rear door handle is kind of hidden. Talking about the engine, it gets one engine option, that is a 1.2 liter Revotron petrol engine, produces 86 PS of power and 113 Newton meters of torque. That is the Tata logo. So coming back to the design of this vehicle, it gets projector headlamps and fog lamps which get cornering function. The bumper is finished in black, that is the towing hook. So again moving, it gets dual tone colors and the overwhelms are finished in black. Gets request sensors in the door handles in the driver side. So this is the rear of the vehicle. We get LED tail lamps and rear wiper washer defogger and a high mount stop lamp. It says Punch over there in chrome. Tata logo is also given in chrome. Bumper here is again finished in black, and that's the reverse parking camera, beautifully integrated here. In the bumper we get the tri-arrow pattern along with the reflectors. The boot carrying capacity happens to be 366 liters, which is quite adequate, can carry most of your things. So the spare wheel of the vehicle happens to be a steel wheel, not an alloy. So let's put it down. If you need more boot space, you can split the seats in a single piece. That's the light, and we get a hook in the boot as well. We also get a parcel tray also. So now let's close the boot of the vehicle. There you go, the boot is closed. So from the rear also it looks really good. That's a fog lamp housing, but no fog lamp, rear fog lamp. This is the beautiful tail lights. So it gets 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and the roof is finished in black along with an antenna and roof rails obviously. So the ORVMs get a side turn indicators which are LED units as well. So this is the rear seat of the vehicle. 3 people can be comfortable. Adjustable headrest, all headrests are adjustable. We get a center armrest as well. The floor is quite flat, almost flat actually, so 3 people can be comfortable. And this is the dashboard of the vehicle, dual tone color. So the color of the dashboard is granite black dashboard with glacier grey inserts. So the dashboard looks quite good. Flat bottom steering wheel again given over here along with steering mounted controls. Now let's go for a test drive. So obviously my dad is driving. This is the reverse parking camera. We get guidelines which are adaptive. So the color of the AC vents depend on the body color of the vehicle. So I am sitting in the rear seat now, and the rear seat comfort is really good. 3 people can be comfortable, as I said. That's the guidelines, reverse parking cameras guidelines. So it gets a 7-inch infotainment system, Harman infotainment system along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also gets a 7-inch TFT instrument cluster and push button start. That's the door handle along with the tweeter. It is built on the Alpha architecture platform, the same the Altroz is built on. So it has 90-degree opening doors. Moreover, it was tested by Global NCAP and it is scored 5-star rating, which makes it the safest car in India right now. Talking about the ride of the vehicle, it is not very bumpy or anything, stays glued to the road. Even high speed stability is really good. Road noise is also well contained, engine noise also well contained, and the vehicle has adjustable driver seats, cool glove box, auto fold ORVMs and follow me home headlamps as well. Talking about the safety features, it gets ABS with EBD and corner stability control. That's the cabin of the vehicle. As you can see, slightly scooped out seat backs. So taking a U-turn, no problem at all. It can be easy to use it in the city, and it gets steering mounted controls as well. So this vehicle gets something known as traction pro mode, which is only available for the AMT transmission. So that's a mode which helps you get out when you're stuck. It gets 2 drive modes, a city and an eco drive mode. It gets cruise control as well. So the water weighting capacity of this vehicle happens to be 370 mm and 190 mm of ground clearance, which is quite sufficient actually. So this is a micro SUV, can handle mild off-roading as well, which is quite good. So it gets IRA connected car technology as well. So this vehicle is available in 4 variants, that is pure, adventure, accomplished and creative. And it also gets a driver rear view monitor, that's the automatic rain sensing wiper. So here it is the driver rear view monitor. So the steering is adjustable only for tilt, and it gets front fog lamp with cornering function as I said, and it also gets a tire puncture repair kit, and gets a driver and co-driver seat belt reminder. So lot of safety features also given over here in this vehicle, and it gets something known as brake sway control, which is the safety systems actually, and we get isofix child seat mounts as well in the rear seats. So again, let's take a U-turn over here, and it's quite good to be in the rear seat of this vehicle. Quite comfortable, as I said. There is no bumpy ride or anything. In some hatchbacks we get slightly bumpy rides. So the seat belts are not adjustable, and taking this vehicle in the city or driving around in the city is really easy. The IRVMs or the inside rear view mirrors are not auto dimming. So the prices have been revealed. It starts from 5.49 lakhs and all the way goes till 8.49 lakhs. So that's about this video. Let me know how do you like the Punch, and if you liked it, make sure to like, share and subscribe.